Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show how to add a product on your E2C store. So let's start. After login, go to All Products page. Before adding a product, it's best to create categories so your store looks organized. From the left menu, click on Add and select Category. Enter category name. Since this is an art store, so I am using acrylic painting. If you have your own category code, you can enter it here, and if not, you can just click on Generate. It will be automatically created. Click on Add Category and your category is now created successfully. You can set up categories initially according to your business to avoid creating them repeatedly while adding products. Now go to Products from the left menu and click on Add Product. Before adding a product, keep all the details ready like the basic information, product images, description and keywords, pricing, inventory and shipping. Enter product name here. I am adding one of my painting as a product. Now select appropriate category from the list. Select the condition of your product based on the available options. Write a short description about your product in less than 150 characters. This will be shown alongside the product image. Now is the product code. You can enter your unique product code or just click Generate. We are now ready for uploading product images. Click on this box, select your images and just drag it. It's that simple. Once images are uploaded, you can edit or delete them anytime. Just click on the pencil icon to edit any image. Here you can change the aspect ratio, size and position of your image. Once you are happy with the image, click on Save Changes. You can also change the order of the images by just dragging it. Keep the best one as the first because it will be shown on all products page. Now we will move to the next section, which is the long description. Here you can write all the description about your product in detail which you want to share with your customer. Add product keywords which will help in searching your product. Now enter the selling price of your product. If you are giving any discount and want to show your old price as well, you can check this box. Check in stock box and update your inventory. To display your product, make sure you turn this on. For shipping, there are multiple methods, so you can select whatever is good for you. Select shipping time from the available options and your shipping price. If there is no shipping cost, you can turn on this free option. You can also select available for pickup option if you want to. If you want to add another shipping method, you can do so here. I do not need it for now, so I am just removing it. The last section is the additional details, which is completely optional. Here you can add your brand details and available SKUs. If you want to show any tags on your product images, that can be updated here. Just click Add Product and your product is listed on your store. Let's see how it looks on our store. Click on the product name and here it is. Customer will see all the details you have updated. Product tags, short description, available quantity and detailed description. It will also show the related products available on your store. Let's see what all options are available once your product is ready. Click on the pencil icon to modify any of your product details. Just directly go to that section and do the changes. Make sure you save it after the changes. This was all about how to edit your product. The other very good option is this duplicate product. The next one is deactivate your product. If you do this, your product will not show as an active status. The last option is for deleting product. That's how you can add a product on your E2C store easily. Hope this helps. See you in next video. Thank you for watching.